Ano ang pambansang wika natin? Ayesha. Sit properly. Sino ang pinuno ng Kikiki? Yvonne. Very good. Sit down. Okay, class. Our class today is English. Kung ang English ng tao ay human, ano naman ang English ng manok? Aryan. Chicken. Very good. Sit. Who is the absent today?
Franklin!
Very good. Where is Franklin? Okay, class. Who is your new classmates today? Very good. One.